Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your writing skills with Grammarly, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your writing skills with Grammarly, first, visit the Grammarly website. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook. Once your account is created, log in to access your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll find options to start a new document or upload existing files. Click on New Document to begin writing directly within Grammarly. For existing files, click Upload and select the document you want to improve. As you write or upload text, Grammarly will analyze your work in real time. Keep an eye on the sidebar where Grammarly displays suggestions. Suggestions may include grammar corrections, style improvements, and vocabulary enhancements. Click on any suggestion to see a brief explanation and choose whether to apply it. To dive deeper, explore the Performance tab for insights into your writing trends. This section provides a breakdown of readability, word choice, and other key metrics. Familiarize yourself with the different writing tones Grammarly supports. Whether you aim for academic, business, or casual writing, adjust your tone preferences accordingly. Take advantage of the Goals feature to set specific objectives for your writing. Choose your audience, formality level, and intent to tailor feedback more effectively. Additionally, install Grammarly's browser extension for seamless writing across platforms. This extension works on email, social media, and any text input fields. If you're using Microsoft Word, download Grammarly's add-in for real-time suggestions. Premium offers style suggestions, clarity-focused rewrites, and plagiarism detection. Consider engaging with Grammarly's writing blog for tips and tricks. Regularly using these features will improve both your writing accuracy and confidence. Review your edits and suggestions carefully to understand common mistakes. As you become more familiar with the feedback, your writing will naturally improve. Set aside time each week to practice writing and apply the insights gained. Ultimately, consistent use of Grammarly can significantly enhance your writing skills. Stay patient and persistent as you work to master your craft. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.